Hello, hi everyone. Today, uh, we, today I'm going to review my generative AI project, which is developed very recently using OpenAI LLM and Streamlit. Streamlit is a tool like we can develop a web application very quickly to interact with generative AI tools. So this is a QuizifyPro app. So this app will transform our YouTube videos into interactive quizzes so that we can test our skills. Once we complete our courses or tutorial in YouTube, we can test our skills by pasting our YouTube link here. So let me walk through the process. So the process is very simple. We are just extracting the YouTube ID from the YouTube link which user given, and next, based on the YouTube ID, we will extract the caption caption of that video in using YouTube transcript API. After extracting the caption, we will feed the data into OpenAI LLM and we will get the output. Okay. After getting output, we will transform that into quizzes. So let me walk through the code before showing the demo. So this is the process which I explained, right? So what we are doing is, first we are generating YouTube ID with URL which user given, right? Uh, this is this is pytube is helping in this. Pytube is a Python library. So we can extract. There is a function extract is there video ID. So we can extract the video ID using pytube. Once it is extracted, just a minute. Once it is extracted, we can get a transcription using YouTube transcript API. So it will give us a transcription. After getting transcription, we will pause the transcription into our LLM with our OpenAI API key. Okay, and after that we will generate a quizzes based on the response. We will generate and transform the quizzes. Most of this code I took from ChatGPT. Now I will jump into our demo. Let me show you. We can take this video link as a sample, so you can use any video links. So, and now it will feed to OpenLLM to create a quizzes. I will paste the GitHub link for this project in description, so you can use in your own projects or any personal projects. Our quiz is generated, so you can choose options here. So whatever correct, right? So you can choose your options. Once your test is done, right, we can submit by viewing score. So here three answers are correct. So you can check even what is the correct answer, what is wrong. Hope this video helps. So I will paste the link in description. Thank you so much.